Whew. I think it's been like 3 days without a walk in nature. Just a little bit of walking on the treadmill, but yeah, yeah. Nothing like a walk through the nature. A couple days was due to rain. I think it's gonna rain tomorrow too. And I think it's gonna rain tonight at 7, they said. So I got about 30 minutes to walk back. Give it a little time. First day I had to clean. We had to do some little spring cleaning. I didn't walk, but I got to lift stuff and yeah, dust stuff, fix stuff, screw stuff, hammer stuff, that kind of stuff. Sometimes it's nice to do something that doesn't require too much this here. Something that requires hands still. Oh. All right. I think that's good enough for today. Oh, we have doing a dog sitting. My kid. My friend brought a dog, so we're dog sitting. Cute dog. One of these mixed breed kind of dogs, so I could not tell what. Remind me of a little Lassie, but short one. Hot dog one. Anyway, yeah, I gotta go.